Welcome back to Dynodaze. This is just a short little video as one of our customers today is having a map revision so that he can have flaming launch control on his TypeR true 3-inch exhaust system, which is obviously decatted. So just a few flames for you guys. You know I love it the best out of all the videos. So yeah, flames, here we go.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit dynodazeperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.